Why don't some animals play cards in the jungle? Because there are too many cheetahs. Now, let's shift from the lighthearted to the serious. Today, we delve into the realm of the top 10 endangered animals on our beautiful planet. These creatures are on the edge of extinction, and it's crucial we understand and protect them. Their survival is intertwined with our own, each species playing a unique role in our global ecosystem. So brace yourselves for a journey into the world of endangered animals. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Vaquita. This charming little creature, also known as the panda of the sea, is the smallest and most endangered marine mammal in the world. Native to Mexico's Gulf of California, the Vaquita loves the warm waters and the abundant supply of fish and squid that make up its diet. But why is the Vaquita endangered, you ask? Well, it's a tragic tale of getting caught in the crossfire. You see, the Vaquita's habitat is also the hunting ground for another marine creature, the totoaba. This fish's swim bladder is a hot commodity in illegal wildlife trade, and the Vaquitas, unfortunately, often get caught in the gill nets set for the totoaba. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Efforts are being made to protect this adorable marine mammal. From banning gill nets to establishing protected areas and breeding programs, the fight for the Vaquita's survival is far from over. Despite its dire situation, conservation efforts continue in hope for the Vaquita. At number 9, weighing in at over 5 tons, we have the Sumatran elephant. This majestic beast, with its impressive tusks and gentle nature, calls the tropical rainforests of Sumatra home. However, its existence is under threat. A significant reason for their dwindling numbers is habitat loss due to deforestation for palm oil plantations. Another threat is human-elephant conflict, which arises when elephants wander into human settlements in search of food, often resulting in deadly confrontations. But all hope is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to safeguard these gentle giants. These include habitat restoration, anti-poaching initiatives, and building elephant-friendly infrastructures to reduce human-elephant conflicts. Organizations such as the World Wildlife Fund are also working to promote sustainable palm oil practices, which is crucial to preserving the elephant's natural habitat. Remember, the survival of the Sumatran elephant is in our hands. With only a few thousand left, every elephant counts. Next up at number 8 is the elusive Saola. Known as the Asian unicorn, the Saola is one of the world's rarest mammals. First discovered in 1992, the Saola is a unique creature with 2 parallel horns that can grow as long as 20 inches. Inhabiting the Annamite mountains of Vietnam and Laos, this enigmatic creature is rarely seen, making it a mystery to scientists. But what we do know is that the Saola is critically endangered. Deforestation, hunting, and snare traps have significantly reduced their population. Conservation efforts are ongoing, but the Saola's elusive nature and the inaccessibility of its habitat make these efforts challenging. Nevertheless, reserves have been set up to protect their habitat, and anti-poaching teams are working tirelessly to safeguard this remarkable species. The Saola's story is a stark reminder of how human activities can adversely impact wildlife. The Saola, a symbol of biodiversity, is in critical need of protection. Coming in at number 7, we have the beautiful Hawksbill turtle. These fascinating creatures are critically important to the health of our marine ecosystems. With their unique beak-like mouths, they munch on sea sponges that would otherwise overgrow and suffocate coral reefs. But the hawksbill's existence is under threat, from climate change affecting their nesting beaches to the illegal wildlife trade for their stunningly patterned shells. These turtles face a multitude of dangers. Conservation efforts, however, are underway to protect the hawksbill. Beach patrols and nest monitoring programs are helping to safeguard their breeding grounds. International trade of hawksbill products is also prohibited under the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species. Despite these efforts, the hawksbill turtle's survival isn't guaranteed. It will take a global commitment to enforce wildlife protection laws and reduce the impacts of climate change. The future of the hawksbill turtle hangs in the balance. At number 6, we have the rare and magnificent Amur leopard. Found predominantly in the Russian Far East, this unique feline is known for its beautiful thick coat and impressive agility. Adapted to the harsh, snowy environments, the Amur leopard can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour and leap over 19 feet horizontally. However, these exquisite creatures are under severe threat due to habitat loss and poaching. Their forest homes are being destroyed at an alarming rate, and their beautiful fur makes them a prime target for hunters. With less than 100 individuals estimated to be left in the wild, the Amur leopard is critically endangered. But there's hope. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to prevent the extinction of this remarkable species. They're implementing anti-poaching patrols, advocating for strict legal protections, and supporting habitat restoration projects. The Amur leopard, a symbol of wilderness, is critically endangered. Yet we remain hopeful that with continued efforts we can ensure their survival for future generations. Halfway through our list at number 5 stands the Javan rhino. This extraordinary creature, one of the rarest large mammals on Earth, calls Indonesia's Ujung Kulon National Park home. With less than 70 individuals remaining, each Javan rhino is a gem of the wild, their thick gray skin reminiscent of a time when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. Threats to the Javan rhino are manifold. Habitat loss from human encroachment and the risk of disease outbreak due to their small population are some of the significant challenges they face. Poaching, once a major threat, has thankfully been curtailed due to stringent protections. Conservation efforts for the Javan rhino are aggressive and hopeful. The Indonesian government, in partnership with international organizations, is working tirelessly to protect this animal's habitat and increase its population. The Javan rhino is a living testament to our planet's history. Let's ensure its story continues to be told for generations to come. At number 4 we have our close relative, the orangutan. Swinging from the lush canopies of the Southeast Asian rainforest, the orangutan is an astoundingly intelligent creature. Their name, derived from the Malay words orang and hutan, means person of the forest, a fitting title for these remarkable primates. However, the orangutan's survival is under serious threat. The primary cause? Deforestation. As human enterprises continue to encroach upon their habitats, the orangutan's home is shrinking at an alarming rate. Palm oil plantations, logging, and forest fires have left these creatures on the brink of homelessness, but there's hope yet. Conservation efforts are underway to ensure the survival of the orangutan. Organizations are working tirelessly to protect their habitats, rehabilitate displaced individuals, and educate communities about the importance of these forest people. Yet the fight is far from over. The orangutan, a symbol of the rainforests, is on the brink of extinction. It's a call for us to act now, before it's too late. At number 3, we have the powerful and intelligent gorilla. With an imposing stature and a thoughtful gaze, gorillas certainly command attention. These gentle giants are known for their remarkable intelligence, easily demonstrated by their use of tools and complex social structures. However, despite their strength and smarts, gorillas are vulnerable, and they have found themselves teetering on the brink of extinction. The primary threats to their survival are habitat loss due to deforestation and poaching for bushmeat trade. Climate change is also posing an ever-increasing risk, altering and shrinking their natural habitats. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are in full swing to protect these magnificent creatures. Organizations are working tirelessly to combat poaching and illegal trade, while also striving to protect and restore gorilla habitats. They're also educating local communities about the importance of gorilla conservation, fostering a sense of ownership and responsibility. The survival of the gorilla is in our hands. We have the power to change their fate, and the time to act is now. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is the mighty tiger. Regal and awe-inspiring, tigers are the largest species of the cat family. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they keep the populations of their prey species in check, which in turn affects the vegetation and the overall health of their habitats. As apex predators, they keep the populations of their prey species in check, which in turn affects the vegetation and the overall health of their habitats. As apex predators, they keep the populations of their prey species in check, which in turn affects the vegetation and the overall health of their habitats. However, these magnificent creatures are now critically endangered due to several factors. Poaching for their fur and body parts, habitat loss due to deforestation, and human-wildlife conflict are the main threats to their survival. Poaching for their fur and body parts, habitat loss due to deforestation, and human-wildlife conflict are the main threats to their survival. But all is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to save these majestic beasts. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to save these majestic beasts. Conservation efforts are underway across the globe to save these majestic beasts. Anti-poaching laws are being enforced and protected areas are being created to ensure their survival. Anti-poaching laws are being enforced and protected areas are being created to ensure their survival. Anti-poaching laws are being enforced and protected areas are being created to ensure their survival. Programs are in place to educate communities living near tiger habitats about their importance and how to coexist peacefully. Programs are in place to educate communities living near tiger habitats about their importance and how to coexist peacefully. Programs are in place to educate communities living near tiger habitats about their importance and how to coexist peacefully. The tiger, a symbol of our planet's wildness, is in dire need of our help. And finally, at number 1, we have the iconic panda. Known for their distinctive black and white coats, these endearing creatures are more than just cuddly symbols of cuteness. In Chinese culture, the panda is revered as a symbol of peace and good fortune. Despite their popularity, pandas are critically endangered. The primary reason for this is habitat loss, as China's booming population continues to encroach on the panda's natural habitat, the bamboo forests. Pandas rely almost exclusively on bamboo for their diet, making this loss particularly devastating. Fortunately, concerted conservation efforts are in place to help save the panda. These include establishing and expanding protected areas, creating green corridors to connect isolated panda populations, and implementing captive breeding programs. But the fight is far from over. The panda, a symbol of conservation, needs our help to survive. Let's hope that with continued efforts, future generations can continue to be captivated by the charm of these magnificent animals. That concludes our countdown of the top 10 endangered animals on Earth. From the elusive Vaquita to the iconic panda, each of these animals plays a vital role in maintaining our planet's biodiversity. It's imperative that we ramp up conservation efforts to protect these irreplaceable creatures. Our actions today will determine their future and, in turn, the health of our ecosystems. Remember, the survival of these species is in our hands. Together, we can make a difference.